up, guys? Today, me and my mom are going to be making a Kodiak flapjack waffle. So let's get into the video.
The process.
So, how we're going to be making it is, first, we are going to be putting flour into the bowl. Cup. So now we're going to be pouring some ground cinnamon.
Okay, you put more?
Yeah.
Because I love cinnamon in my waffles. All right,
Me too.
That's okay. And then we're gonna have some few teaspoons of sugar.
Wait.
No, that's
We use 2 tablespoons of sugar.
alright.
And now we're going to mix it.
Alright, that's correct.
And make sure to like and subscribe. And give it a thumbs up if you like the video.
But we need more milk. We don't have no milk.
So since we're not sweet, we've gone back and put more sugar in it. So now it's sweet, and now we're just mixing it again.
Let's see the texture. Oh wow.
Kind of like soft.
Mm-hmm. That waffle is gonna be so yum.
Yeah.
I bet it's gonna.
No. Wait, what?
Falls out really good.